Adina's Kit Fashion and Printers YouTube channel. So we're into customized printing business, so we have to use printers and plotters and this and that. So this is my plotter for vinyl cutting, and few years back I showed you the video to assembling these plotter. So it is working fine, alhamdulillah, and no issues, some bad patches, but overall it is good. So today I have to change its blade, and because it is not working with few of the vinyl types like holographs and other, but works fine with the PU and types like that. So today I was going to change its blade, so I thought, why shouldn't I make a video to help others if so. So today I'll change its blade. Here you can see, so let's change it. So guys, this is the part we are going to change. This is the blade. You just have to open this screw, lose this screw like that, and pull this pin out. There's a blade in it. I hope you can see that. This is you can see the tip. There it is. You can see the tip. Let's open it just like that. Screw this one and pull this pin out. So guys, this is the blade. You can see. Just be careful, do not touch from this side because this is very sharp. Just pull from behind and push this out. Take the new one. This is a new one, this one, and just put this side into it, just like that. Just put it in. Okay, so let's assemble it back in. Just put this in just like that and screw that. You can see the pin will come out on the other side. This it. There you go. Now you have to adjust this pin. This pin, to my standard, this is two-way out. We have to adjust it and to push it in. So the way to make it perfect, for the adjustment of this tip, how much it should be out, this screw, this golden screw, you just have to open it again and just adjust it like that. I hope I focus. This adjust and just screw this again. You can see this is the tip. You can see this is the tip. This is perfect, I think. Let's just check it with a scale. The scale, I'll check it with this, the thickness of this scale. I think it should be half of this scale's thickness. It should be out. The tip should be out, standard as half the tip out of this thickness. So we should adjust it once again, just a bit. It is almost okay, but just a bit, just like that. Just check it again. It is, now you can see it is almost perfect. You can see almost half of the thickness of the scale or credit card maybe. So this is perfect. I think it's done. Let's put it back in. Just place it there, push it down and check whether it is, there's a play in it. That's okay. Just tighten the screw and you're done. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.